Speeding or slowing down? Here is an excellent question which helps you to understand the concept. On the graph are shown the position, velocity and acceleration functions of an object. So this is the graph for you, where the bold line is position, s in meters, and then we have velocity in meters per second, and then acceleration, a straight line. Now you need to find the interval during which the object is slowing down, and you are given 5 options. Now think about it, answer the question, pause the video, and then look into my suggestions. Here are my suggestions. You need to answer one critical question. When is object speeding or when is object slowing down? That is the question which you need to answer, and then you can figure out the solution for the question. Now since we are concentrating on slowing down, let's write down when is the object slowing down. Can you help me? The object is slowing down when velocity and acceleration are in opposite directions. So it is when velocity and acceleration are in opposite direction. So that is the key to answer this question. When we say they are in opposite direction, what do we mean? We really mean that if velocity is positive, that means if velocity is greater than 0, then acceleration is negative, that means less than 0. Or if velocity is less than 0, then acceleration is greater than 0. So either one of them is positive, and if one is positive then the other one is negative, then they are slowing down, they are in the opposite direction. Do you understand? That helps you to answer the question. Now pause the video and try to answer the question. And here I will mark the intervals where velocity is positive or negative, right? So velocity is this parabola shown with the dotted line. It is 0 at 2. So that 0 can divide the interval into one portion from 0 to 2, and then again it is 0 at 6. So let me draw a dotted line at 6 also. So what we have about velocity is positive from 0 to 2, negative from 2 to 6, and then positive from 6 onwards. This is about velocity, right? Now let's also analyze acceleration. As far as acceleration is concerned, it's a straight line which is 0 at 4. So let me draw a dotted line here. Now acceleration is negative from 0 to 4, right? So it is negative in these two intervals, correct? But positive here. As you can see from here, which are the intervals where acceleration and velocity have opposite directions? Well, clearly the intervals are 0 to 2, right? In 0 to 2, positive for velocity and negative for acceleration. So that is from 0 to 2. And then from 4 to 6, negative for velocity and positive for acceleration. 4 to 6, right? And that gives our answer as A. And that is how you're going to answer this question. Now think about speeding up. Speeding up means velocity and acceleration should be in the same direction, right? So that is how we can figure out the answer, and I hope you appreciate the concept. Thank you and all the best.